It's a beautiful fall day here in Nova Scotia. The kids are playing soccer, and I thought I'd take you all on a little tour of our backyard space that I built for my COVID project last year. So the leaves are just starting to fall here. So this is our little secret family spot that you can't see from the road, completely hidden. Apple trees. I love this spot. I chopped it all out with my bare hands. And this is the best part of all. So this is my wife and my secret little area. Look at that view, beautiful. And our own little fire pit without the kids. Raspberries. And then this wattle fence that I built this spring with a little arch in it. And these are kiwis. So they grow here in our zone and into a vine. So the plan is to get them to grow over that arch at some point. And through here. So there, I hope you enjoyed this little tour of our backyard here in Burt, Nova Scotia. Have a great day. Cheers.